Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is a little bit of a different video because, as you can see from the title, we have hit 100 subscribers, and I'm super happy to say that we've actually hit 100 subscribers about a week ago. Now we're at almost close to 150. And I'm just now filming this because I have not had the chance to. I just want to thank every single person that has subscribed and that will subscribe. It means so much to me, and never did I ever think that I would hit this milestone. It has been such a great journey, and I'm so glad that you're here with me on it. All your feedback and comments mean so much to me, and I'm so appreciative. I really did want to do a giveaway once I hit 100 subscribers, but it happened so fast I didn't have a chance to get anything for the giveaway. So instead, I decided that I'm going to do a shout out to 2 of my subscribers that have given me all the love and have been here since the day I started. So I wanted to give a huge shout out to SABRINA CAMBELL, and her YouTube is going to be linked right in the description box, so please go check her out, and hopefully you'll like her videos and subscribe to them like I did. SABRINA, you have been an amazing supporter on my channel, and I am so thankful for you. I also picked another random subscriber to shout out, and it is GEMMA Howard, or Gemma Howard. I don't know how I pronounce it. Hopefully I didn't just kill it. But a huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for liking my videos, commenting, and subscribing. And everyone who wants to check her out, her YouTube link is also going to be in the description box below, so don't forget. Now, I did want to talk about a huge giveaway that is going to actually be happening, and that is when I reach 500 subscribers. I know that seems like a long shot away, but I do want to, do it big for my 500 subscribers. And I was thinking, as my subscriber count and I keep reaching these milestones, my giveaways will get larger and larger. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Goddess Gang for your chance to be a part of the giveaway. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be informed of any new videos I put out, and when we finally reach 500 subscribers and we have this giveaway. I definitely do want to give away some amazing beauty products, maybe some makeup palettes, some skincare, hair care. I would love to hear all of your guys' thoughts, so if you could comment below what you would like to see in the giveaway, that would be so awesome. And thank you guys so much. Again, I look forward to making more videos and content that you guys love, so if you have any other ideas, please also leave those in the comments below. I want to know what you guys want to see. Like I said, that giveaway is going to definitely be happening. So let's hurry up and make it happen. 500 subscribers. Go, go, go. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't forget to stay tuned for my next video on Tuesday if you want to see how to get this eye look. Until next time, guys.